What's up, my good sis? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back again with obviously another video. This hair is from HotLoveHair, and in the box came some ponytail holders, eyelashes, a wig cap, and obviously the wig. The wig is a great time, as you can see. She's a 613 joint. I was about to say full lace. No, she's a lace front. Real cute, real fun, real fresh. So, as you can see, I did like these brown, like the brown rootage kind of look. So, to start off, I am going to part out the piece that I kind of wanted to leave like platinum because I wanted it to be like a little bit of a patch in the front. So, I parted that out, and then I just proceeded to add the color to the roots. Now, I did use honey brown from the Kiss collection, Kiss color, whatever you want to call it. And I'm not gonna lie, I do like the Adore hair semi-permanent hair color better. One thing I will say is because with me, when I usually dye hair, I dilute the hair color with conditioner. But if you are going for a look like this, I definitely don't recommend you doing that. I think you should just use the color as is, and like if you need more, then obviously buy another bottle. But it kind of made the hair a little bit of like a reddish kind of brown, and I wanted it to be like a dark brown. Not a big deal, but you feel what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm not really doing like any technique. I'm not like a colorist or whatever the case may be. But this is what she looked like once I was all done. You see I got the little patch out in the front. And then I got my ends. I still wanted my ends to be 613, and that's just period. So I am going to rinse this color out. And then once I'm done with that, I am going to blow dry. Now, I really liked how intense the brown was when the hair was wet, but obviously, like, when hair is wet, it's darker than when it actually dries. So, I kind of do want to go over the hair again with either a darker hair color or just not add conditioner to the last hair color that I did. So, it's like this color, because like I said, it's kind of like a reddish kind of brown. It's still cute, but I just wanted it to be darker, you know? So, that's the tea on the hair color. See? Do you see what I was talking about? Yeah, she's like a reddish, kind of brownish kind of color, but still cute. Now, for these curls to sit right, lay tight, make, you know, someone want to say goodnight, you're going to have to cut some layers in the hair. Now, I just recently started cutting with a razor comb, and I, like, will never go back to, like, cutting with scissors, unless I can't find my razor comb, of course. But the razor comb is just 100% way easier, and I feel like it's almost dummy proof. Like with the scissors you can mess up cutting the layers, but like with the razor comb you can't really mess it up. You can, but like it's kind of hard. So I clip this hair back, and what I do with my layers is I keep the back long and I just cut the layers in the top, because I don't want the hair to, you know, the longest layers to be super thin. I want them to stay thick so my curls is fat and tight. So I'm just gonna cut the layers in the top. And yeah, I kind of just eyeball it like where I need to like start cutting, because you know you don't want the layer to start really short. It's human hair, but if you cut too much, it's not gonna grow back. So you want to be very cautious of what you are cutting. Make sure you don't cut it too short, because you cannot put it back on. But yeah, I just do a couple of layers in the front, and then we slap some fire curls in her. And I got that curling iron from Ross. I'm not sure if I said that in one of my videos before, but I got it from Ross. It's a 1-inch Hot Tools pink curling iron. Is so cute, and it was only $16. I went to the beauty supply, and I was like looking for the same kind of curling iron, and girl, they wanted $40. I said, ha! In your dreams, I would never. So I went to Ross, and they had it. So ha! That's just period. And yeah, the footage actually got lost of me curling the hair, but I could do a separate video on that if you would like me to. This is how the curls came out, and I'm just gonna rake my fingers to it. Now, I swear the layers definitely make a big difference in curls like this. Like, you like essentially need layers if you want this look. And razor combs are only like a few dollars, so I mean, there's really no excuse. And as you can see, even though this hair was 613 blonde and I did put color over it, it's still super healthy. Like, it still got the bounce, the shine, the luster, the whole nine, sis. And I just love how my curls was sitting. Like, look at that. Before I even cut the lace, look at how the curls are sitting. And that's mainly due to the fact that I cut the layers in the top. So if you haven't, or you don't cut layers in your hair, you need to, because it's essential for these kind of curls. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you like, you know, this actual style. I'm stuttering. I don't understand why. But yeah, let me know what you think. What do you want to see next from me? Send me some styles, send me some looks, all of this, the whole nine. Follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat, @Kiamani. And if you do want to pick up this wig, everything is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much, sis, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.